welcome back to another Monday T BAG Collab. And in today's challenge, we are doing a pearl pour. This is my first time. I've never done this before. Anyways, it was Brenda's pick this week, and this is what she wanted us to do. I will show you the colors I'm using, and then we will try this out. I have DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl, and then I'm going to use DecoArt Metallics. Then I am going to use Pebeo High Velocity Acrylics Iridescent Violet Blue. And I'm using black. Let's see how this goes. And I'm using an 8" by 10" canvas. Just gonna pour this these metallics in the middle. I'm probably gonna layer them a little. And we'll see how this goes. And I probably am gonna put way too much paint on. So there's that. So there's the peacock. And then I'm gonna put the silver. The silver is kind of a little thin, so let's hope this works. Iridescent violet blue. Layer that one more time. Doesn't work, we'll try again. Then I'm going to pour the black right on top and then quickly tilt. Pouring paints are a lot thicker than your top layer, which is the black. The black is thin. All right, let's do this. See if it does anything. You can also torch it to bring up cells. Sorry for the glare from my light. Paints could be too thick. This will just help bring up cells. And then we just wait and see what happens. I may have to do it again. Maybe no silver. Gotta let it sit for quite some time too. Might be a half hour. So I'm just gonna let it sit, do its thing. All right, I am back. It's been 40 minutes and nothing's happened. I've didn't take off enough paint, so I didn't tilt it enough, or B, my black thin paint was not thin enough, or C, both. So we're gonna try it again. I'm just gonna scrape this off, and I'm also going to replace the silver with some FolkArt color shift, and it's called Blue Flash. Ooh, Blue Flash. All right, I'm gonna start with the Blue Flash, and it's like the peacock teal color, except it's also got purple. And I'm hoping that this is all right. It's not too thick. Let's see what happens. Let it sit for 30 minutes and hope for the best. It's looking better already. So maybe I just didn't tilt it off, or my black wasn't thin enough. here are the dry results of my pearl pour, and unfortunately the two colors are very similar, the blue flash and the peacock pearl, but it did work and I really liked it, so it was a lot of fun. I'm definitely gonna have to try this again. And I will zoom in and see if I can get this. There we go. So you can see some of the different colors from the blue flash. Please stay tuned. Up next is August at August's Acrylic Art, followed by Brenda Allender, aka Creations from the Table, and Kathy, Grandma Kathy's Art Venture started off the collab. So stay tuned. Thanks everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.